Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So if the AC, guys, does not blow cold air, what can easily cause that? We will demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra here. First, what we need to check the fuse and the relay for the AC system and where they're located, right under the hood. What you need to do, open the hood. And here on the driver's side, guys, you have that cover, open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box that will have a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So if the AC doesn't blow cold air, what can, guys, easily cause that? Check one fuse. We'll be working here in the middle. If we zoom in, that's fuse number 17. That's for the AC clutch. If that fuse is bad, AC will not blow cold air. The relay for the AC compressor, the AC clutch, is that squared relay right here. Now, other things that can cause the AC not to work. You need to connect one of the recharging kits with the gauge, guys. And if the gauge shows no pressure, that means you have a leak in the system. Leak can be caused by multiple things, like a leaking condenser, hose, compressor, or even AC pressure switch. If you have good pressure but it doesn't work, it could be bad AC clutch. If you want to see how to test and how to replace AC clutch, we have multiple videos on our channels. It could be bad AC compressor, or you have one device that's installed on the high pressure AC line. It's known as AC pressure switch. The AC pressure switch detects if you have enough pressure to safely activate the compressor. If it's bad or disconnected, the AC will not work. Other things that can cause it could be even bad radiator fan that doesn't work due to bad fuse or relay. If you want to see where the fuse for the radiator fan is located and where the relays are located for the radiator fan, we have videos on our channel that will explain that. Also, if you want to see how to test the radiator fan, we have more information on our main channels. But bad radiator fan will cause the AC not to work because the car will deactivate the air conditioner. That way you have a lower chance to actually overheat. Now, there could be something completely different where your AC works perfectly fine. Everything is great, right? But it still doesn't blow cold air. It could be, guys, due to a device like this one. You may have one or two. If you have a dual climate control on the front, you will have two of those. If you have a single climate control, you will have one. This is known as a Door Actuator. Attaches to a flap that switches from hot to cold. And if you open that device, guys, you have multiple gears on the inside. Usually they will crack, wear out, or the motor will burn and it will be stuck in hot position. And even though your AC works perfectly fine, it will cause it to not blow cold air. So hot air will be blown instead. So it could be a bad Door Actuator that costs only a few dollars. If you want to see the symptoms of bad Door Actuator, we have more information on our main channels. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.